Yeah, I mean, there's been a lot of noise in the market, especially in the last couple of weeks with news of China, the situation worsening. In North America, there are a lot of questions about what this quarter holds in particular, because this is the quarter that we lapped stimulus. This is the quarter that inflation took off. And so that is a big uncertainty in North America. I think the concerns are overdone. I think the underlying consumer health remains strong. We entered the year in a strong position. And I think as we go through this month of earnings, we'll see North America outperform the bearish expectations. The same cannot be said for China, which I think is the other reason we've seen underperformance in the last few weeks.
Sure, but I like how you said this is the corner that we lapped stimulus and inflation really took off. I mean, what more do you need to know? Gap's reaction also was pretty dismal. Are there any stocks you think people should be buying here because they're unfairly getting kicked to the curb?
I think generally there are some really long-term growth stories that are being undervalued at the moment, just on short-term concerns. So Nike is a good example. But this quarter is going to be the current quarter, which is going to be reported over the next few months, is going to be quite bearish outlook for across the board. And no one is spared from that, even Nike.
Well, and maybe some companies have to resort to extremes. I mean, you think Peloton should literally spin off its bike business as that stock struggles to turn around. Explain the thought process.
Yeah, so look, Peloton is already cutting prices on the hardware and raising prices on the subscriptions, and we think that's the right move because the hardware is not what differentiates Peloton. It's the content, it's the platform, it's the experience, and that is where they are unparalleled. And raising the subscription price, I think they can continue to be competitive. Cutting the hardware price gives them a lower barrier to entry for new customers and expands their TAM. And that is really where the bears are looking and saying, what is the TAM for connected fitness? So I think if we take that to its natural conclusion, I think they could actually stop producing hardware, partner with a company, spin off the hardware unit, and focus on subscriptions where they can truly differentiate. They can gain much faster TAM access, lock in a larger number of households to its platform, and continue to succeed as the market leader.
Well, it has been a crazy week for former growth stories. So I think at this point we can't rule anything out, whether for Twitter, for Peloton, or anybody else. Anisha, thanks for joining us. We appreciate it.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.